Kokiri! Douglas and Brendan are first to attack the hill. Brendan sets a blistering pace.
Today's challenge, it was very hard. The hill was very steep, very steep.
Despite complaints of sore muscles, Brendan is first to reach the top.
Fella must have been strategic because he just this morning he had some sore calves and all of a sudden he was up the hills.
The trip down seems much easier.
At first, I was just focusing on finishing the challenge, but then once I got out there, the focus changed and I was going out there to win.
With water in the mouth, they head back up.
Oh, it soon makes you try and suck in the air.
Salt added to the water takes its toll.
Just a little bit of salt water went up my nose. And that was enough for me to spit it out. Salt up your nose ain't the one.
Doug reaches the top, but Brendan is already on his way down.
I got a bit confident, then I did go out there to win.
Doug tries to make up on time, but Brendan is back and shows how much water he has left. Doug returns but has no water to show.
Tēnā koe, Doug.
Now for the next two toa. Kokiri! Moena leads the race up the hill against Chall. It's neck to neck as both toa reach the top.
I think I couldn't breathe because you said he had blocked nose, so I don't know if it's the smoke tree.
Chall wastes no time as he descends to the start again.
I was actually trying to lose. I actually wanted to lose to get into the battle arena tonight.
Water must be held in the mouth while returning to retrieve the rako.
When I put the water in my mouth, man, as soon as I tasted that saltiness, man, I could have told us before the challenge that it had salt in it, man. A bit of a shock.
Moena leads on the return home, but has spat his water out. If Joel continues to have water and keeps up a good pace, he will still be in the race.
I wanted to fight, but couldn't actually get that, so I'm going to have to think of another way to lose a challenge.
Joel returns with a good amount of water. This might make up for lost time. Who will be next? Anaru and Pautapu head up the hill. Pautapu sets a challenging pace to follow.
Mahi ua, tērā, e tino wera ki te heki maunga.
Matakitaki au te toa tuatai, ki te ateu i o rātau mahi, te mahi piki maunga, i taua tāma pō e au ea. Tahi te puke tino iti ko tēro. No e marama koutou e noho maira i te kāinga, e tino maunga tēnei, te tino wero tēnā.
It's a difficult task, up the top there, come back down, you get the water, by that time ko pou te hau.
E ua ki te kimi hāne, ma te tikanga me kimi hā ma te ihu.
Anaru struggles on as Pautapu makes his way back down. Pautapu has also set a blistering time with most, if not all, the water remaining in his mouth. Anaru obviously lost water along the way.
Tēnā kōrua.
Ko waira, te toa piki maunga. Hau water is today's challenge, running up a steep hill twice, the second time with water in the mouth. It's proved to be a tough challenge for many, some showing greater strength than others. Who will be next? Kokiri! Our last two toa, Whare and Raimona, take to the hill.
It's a hard challenge. Yeah, nah, the hardest challenge.
Kahiwara!
I wanted to push myself. And then when we took off, man, I was trying to find air, and Freddie was he was flipping singing on the way up. And then when we got down to the water, I was looking at him and I was waiting for him to take off so I could chase him. And he wouldn't flipping move, you know.
The toa make sure to take deep breaths before drinking the water, hoping this will help with their performance. But will time be against them?
Best just to finish the challenge. I was just trying to keep up with myself and trying to breathe correctly, in the nose, out the nose, when we had the water in our mouth.
The steep hill starts taking its toll.
I could feel my Achilles just wanting to give up. My right thigh, it's burning on the inside. I think I got a good whack in there last night. It was hard. Yeah, it was a good challenge.
The two toa finish side by side. So who has returned with the most water?